Welcome to Bike Update on Motor Crest Showroom. Today, we have something special for you, an in-depth look at the 2026 Honda CBR 600RR. If you're a fan of high-performance motorcycles, you won't want to miss this. The Honda CBR 600RR has always been a favorite among sport bike enthusiasts, and the 2026 model takes things to a whole new level. This latest version is more refined, powerful, and packed with advanced technology, making it one of the best supersport bikes in its class. Let's start with the engine and performance. The 2026 CBR 600RR is powered by a 599cc inline-4 engine, designed to deliver an incredible balance of power and smoothness. Honda has fine-tuned the engine for improved mid-range torque, allowing for quicker acceleration and better responsiveness on both the street and the track. Expect a power output of around 120 horsepower, making it a true performer in the supersport segment. The throttle-by-wire system ensures precise control, while the 6-speed transmission is optimized for seamless gear shifts. Moving on to the design and aerodynamics, Honda has refined the bike's bodywork for improved airflow and stability. The aggressive front fascia features full LED lighting, giving it a sharp and modern look. The redesigned fairings are inspired by Honda's MotoGP RC213V, enhancing both aesthetics and aerodynamics. The bike also comes with winglets, improving downforce and stability at high speeds, making it more track-focused than ever. Now, let's talk about technology and electronics. The 2026 CBR 600RR is equipped with Honda's latest IMU-based electronic rider aids, including traction control, wheelie control, cornering ABS, and selectable riding modes. Whether you're riding on the highway, carving through canyons, or hitting the racetrack, the bike adapts to different conditions effortlessly. The 5-inch TFT display provides real-time data and seamless connectivity for a more immersive riding experience. On the suspension and handling side, Honda has upgraded the chassis for improved agility and precision. The fully adjustable show a big piston fork, BPF, and rear shock ensure a perfect balance between comfort and performance. The lightweight aluminum frame keeps the bike nimble, while the Brembo braking system delivers exceptional stopping power, boosting rider confidence on the road. Honda has also focused on weight reduction, using high-quality materials to make the 2026 CBR 600RR lighter than its predecessor. The improved power-to-weight ratio makes it even more exciting to ride, whether you're on a twisty back road or an open track. In terms of color options and pricing, Honda is expected to offer the CBR 600RR in several striking color schemes, including Honda Racing Red, Matte Black Metallic, and Pearl White. As for the price, it is anticipated to be around $12,500 to $13,500, keeping it competitive in the supersport category. The 2026 Honda CBR 600RR continues to push the boundaries of performance and technology in the 600cc class. Whether you're an experienced rider or someone looking to upgrade to a high-performance machine, this bike delivers everything you could ask for: power, precision, and pure adrenaline. That's all for today's bike update on Motor Crest Showroom. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest motorcycles. See you in the next video.